now we discussed about the types of inflorescences. Types of inflorescences. There are mainly three types of inflorescences: racemose, cymose and special inflorescences. First we discussed about the cymose inflorescence. First, cymose inflorescence. In this case, the growth is limited. The axis end in a flower. Flowers arranged in basipetal order. Example, jasmine. In this case, the growth of the peduncle. Peduncle is the main axis of inflorescence. Inflorescence means the arrangement of flowers on peduncle. This is the peduncle. In case of cymose inflorescence, the stem length is reduced. Then the axis end with an older flower. Flowers arranged in basipetal order. That is, the larger flower on upper side and younger on basal portion. Then second, racemose inflorescence. The main axis of racemose inflorescence, that is peduncle, is unlimited in growth. Axis does not terminate in a flower. Flowers arranged in acropetal order. Acropetal order means the older flowers below and younger flowers at the tip of the peduncle.
We can draw a picture.
We can see the main axis shows unlimited growth. The axis does not terminate in a flower. Flowers arranged in acropetal order. The acropetal order means older flowers arranged in basal portion and younger flowers on the tip of the peduncle. Then the types of racemose inflorescence. Types. Types of racemose inflorescence. First, simple raceme. Simple raceme. Here, the stalked flowers arranged acropetally. Example, mustard. Mustard is the example. Next, spike. In this case, like raceme, but flowers are sessile. The spike is like raceme, but the flowers are stalkless. The older flowers on basal portion and the younger flower on tip, but the flowers are sessile without stalk. Example, aciranthus. Third, spikelet. spikelet. Here the clusters of flowers associated with bract. The clusters of flowers associated with bracts. This is the bract. These are the flowers. Example, wheat. Then next, catkin. Catkin. In this case, pendulous axis bears sessile unisexual flowers. Pendulous axis bears sessile unisexual flowers. It is like the catkin is like a spike, but the flowers are unisexual. Male or female flowers seen in different inflorescence, but it is exactly like a spike. In spike, male and female flowers are seen in same inflorescence, but in catkin, each and every inflorescence bears unisexual flowers, male or females. Example, mulberry. Next, spadix. In case, the sessile flowers arranged on fleshy axis encloses large showy bracts. This bract is known as spathe. Sessile flowers arranged on fleshy axis encloses large showy bracts. This bract is known as spathe. Example, banana. This is the LS of inflorescence. LS of spadix inflorescence. Example, banana. In next case, the main axis shortened type of inflorescence. The main axis shortened type of racemose inflorescence. There are mainly two types. First, corymb. Corymb. In this corymb case, lower flowers have longer stalks than the upper young ones. All flowers come to lie at the same level. Example, candy tuft. In this case, the lower flowers have longer stalks than the upper young ones. All flowers come to lie at the same level. Example, candy tuft. In this shortened type of racemose, there is another example, that is umbel. In umbel case, flowers with stalks. All flowers are stalked but equal length arising from same point. Flowers with stalks of equal length arise from same point. Example, coriander. This is the main. All flowers are start from same point. Flowers with stalks of equal length arise from same point. Example, coriander. Then another type, the main axis flattened type. Here first, head or capitulum type. Head or capitulum type of inflorescence. In this case, sessile flowers. Sessile flowers means florets arranged in centripetal order on flattened convex receptacle or inflorescence surrounded by an involucre. Here we draw the LS of the flower. Example, sunflower. Here all flowers are sessile without stalk. This type of sessile florets are sessile flowers are known as florets arranged in a centripetal order, that is ordered flowers on basal part and younger flowers on central portion on flattened convex receptacle. This is the receptacle. Here is an involucre also present, a covering. We already discussed about different types of racemose inflorescences. Then the cymose inflorescences. There are mainly three types of cymose inflorescences. One, monocacial cyme, two, dicacial cyme, and then multicacial cyme. In monocacial cyme, main axis ends in a flower. One lateral branch comes from one side and ends in a flower. Example, cotton. Next, dicacial cyme. Example, jasmine. In dicacial cyme case, two lateral branches develop from either side of terminal flower and each branch ends in a flower. Third, multicacial cyme. Number of lateral branches come from the side of terminal flower. Each lateral branch ends in flowers. Example, calotropis. Then we discussed about the special type of inflorescences. There are three main types of special inflorescences. The first, hypanthodian type. Example, fig and peepal. Then cyathea inflorescence. Example, euphorbia. Third, verticillester type of special inflorescence. Example, ocimum. In hypanthodium case, the fleshy receptacle form a cup-like cavity and has an apical opening. Male and female flowers borne on inner wall of the cavity. Next, cyathian type of special inflorescence. A cup-like involucre encloses a single female flower surrounded by a number of male flowers. A nectary present at the rim of involucre. Example, euphorbia. Then the third type of special type of inflorescence, verticillester. Example, ocimum. A series of condensed dicacial cymes at each node with a cluster of sessile flowers in the axis of leaves. Example, ocimum.